Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: regale, R-E-G-A-L-E. Excoriate, E-X-C-O-R-I-A-T-E. Regale, to entertain someone with stories or jokes. Synonyms: amuse, fascinate, delight, solace, banquet, dinner, feast, get together. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: anger, annoy, bore, dull, tired, refuse, upset. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Grandma regaled us with tales of her childhood. Excoriate, to criticize severely. Synonyms: blame, abuse, lambast, peel, savage, slam, trash, attack, condemn, flay, fret. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: praise, acclaim, laud, cover, compliment, make happy. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Khan was excoriated for his mistakes. Inchoate, I-N-C-H-O-A-T-E. Badinage, B-A-D-I-N-A-G-E. Inchoate, just begun and so not fully formed or developed. Synonyms: budding, inceptive, nascent, abounding, elementary, shapeless, formless. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: adult, full-blown, full-fledged, mature, ripe, advanced, grown. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: please come up with a complete plan, not an inchoate idea. Badinage, humorous or witty conversation. Synonyms: quips, joking, persiflage, derision, banter, backchat, chaff, mockery, teasing, satire, irony. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: criticism, argument, fight. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: tourists started with badinage talk in the train. Parochial, P-A-R-O-C-H-I-A-L. Tizzy, T-I-Z-Z-Y. Parochial, having a limited or a narrow outlook. Synonyms: small-minded, provincial, biased, petty, little, conservative, picayune. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: cosmopolitan, broad-minded, open, liberal, unrestricted, tolerant. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: a parochial approach is not sufficient to be successful in life. Tizzy, a state of nervous excitement or agitation. Synonyms: annoyance, upset, fret, fuss, confused, perplexed, bewildered. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: calmness, comfort, ease, joy, cheer, harmony, kind, glee. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Maria is always getting dizzy over trivial things. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.